Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to get rid of friends on Facebook on iPhone. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the Facebook app on our devices. And then here we have Home, Video, Friends, Menu, Notifications. We click on Friends. Then at the top, click on Your Friends. All of our friends appear. A list of friends. We scroll down, find a certain person, click on their profile. And where it says Friends, you click here. And you click Unsubscribe, and you click OK. And then you can unsubscribe from a particular person on Facebook. And then also scroll down to the bottom. You find another profile. Also go in and click on Friends. Also click Unsubscribe and unsubscribe. That's how easy you can do it. But if you help them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.